Do you feel like it's time to take your career to the next level? ORIL is where top-tier professionals come to thrive. We value talent, encourage growth, and celebrate every success. Begin your next chapter with ORIL. When we talk about innovation, it's our team that's making the magic happen. Our people, indeed, are our most valuable asset. Let's grow together. We make it a priority to fuel our team's potential with top-tier training, courses, and conferences, paving the way for everyone to achieve their career goals. We've got your back. Our culture is rooted in open communication, every voice is heard, and every idea valued.
We believe that a working environment is a place where everyone is valued, where they feel they can make a difference, try new approaches, and voice ideas freely. At ORIL, we are committed to creating an open atmosphere for all.
Recognizing the power of team bonding, we organize a wide range of memorable activities, from sports and cooking to board games and hiking.
We enjoy doing things together which make us all feel part of the team. Having fun at work is very important, that's why we organize a variety of team-building events.
Discover the excitement of working on diverse and cutting-edge projects. Celebrating over 50 successful web and mobile apps, we thrive on pushing technological boundaries to innovate for the future.
We are involved in a wide range of projects. Working them together makes us grow faster as a team and as professionals. We do our best in every task so that we're sure that our future endeavors will be even more successful.
ORIL is where professional growth meets boundless creativity. Together, we redefine technological limits, turning the impossible into the tangible. Become a part of ORIL's journey and let's make monumental strides together.